As you stand over a putt and analyze every possible bend and turn, sizing up every undulation of the green, thinking that it sure would be nice if you could just have a slight advantage, get that extra edge. Imagine if you could have that same edge with your investments. Well, now you can. You can have the VectorVest Advantage. If you really want to make money in the market, then you need to listen to this. Every day, VectorVest analyzes over 13,000 stocks for value, safety, and timing, and makes very clear buy, sell, and hold recommendations.
This blows away the other products I've ever tried, both in the simplicity and in the accuracy of the predictions.
If you're looking to make money in the market, then you need to go to VectorVest.com, the world's most powerful investment tool.
Before I buy a stock, I always check it with VectorVest because, in my opinion, they're the authority.
Before you invest, check VectorVest. Get the VectorVest Advantage today.